I'm Chris Turden, and if you want Amazon results that look like this, then you need to stick around for this video. We're going to talk about keywords, conversions, and clicks, and how to master the 3 pillars of Amazon SEO. So let's talk about how to build those keywords and where we find keywords that really work and develop those product listings. Now, this isn't a paid ad, but we use Helium 10. Helium 10 Cerebro and Magnet tools. They are some of the best in the industry. They produce good quality keywords, especially from absorbing them from Cerebro, which looks at the actual the keywords that are within that ASIN. It's one of the best keyword tools we've ever used. And I highly recommend using it to absorb and get the right keywords. Another great place to get keywords from is when you look at auto ad campaigns within Amazon sponsored products. You can really absorb the real search terms that customers are finding your products with, especially when you can look at the ones that are converting and where people are buying your products. Really good source of data to be able to implement those into your content and also tell you more about how your customers are buying. So let's really start with that in terms of the keyword structure. The next step is for us to talk about conversions, and the best way to understand conversion rates are the beating heart of your Amazon listings and your Amazon strategy. To find that information, there's 2 places you can go to. First of all, you can go into your business reports and find the information under unit session percentage as a column within the detail page sales and traffic. The best way to do it is by child, so you can see the conversion rate information for all the child products if you have variations. This will give you some really deep insights into what's converting. So remember, that column is called unit session percentage, and you can find that through clicks versus sales. Another great place, if you've got Amazon brand registry, is to use brand analytics. Brand analytics will tell you more about the actual performance of a brand in its entirety. So not just if you're selling it, if you have resellers, wholesalers that are selling your products, you'll be able to get really good conversion metrics from that. And you must start with the conversion data. If you start with conversion data, you can make better hypotheses, better strategies to be able to develop your product listings and to master Amazon SEO. Mastering Amazon SEO all starts with data and being led by data and making hypotheses to improve them. Don't make whims. Don't use Amazon SEO as a strategy based on what people think is best practice or things that people have got no proof or tangibility in. From doing this for over 200 accounts, and like I said, I've got over 100 different brands that we work with and 7 different clients, we're able to really utilize that information for you and tell you that, look, the best way is to be data led. Start with data and optimize based on information you have available, and the other part of that is competitive analysis. Use competitive analysis within your product to improve your conversions. And finally, to get clicks, the other pillar of Amazon SEO, another really key area for you to look at is to look at how to get those clicks and the click-through rates. And in order to do that, you need to have quality pictures, quality pricing, and a good review score, and also to be able to utilize elements like Prime, whether that's FBA or FBM. Those 4 elements there will allow you to improve and develop your clicks and to be able to build that information through so that you're able to develop an entirely good strategy from SEO. So those are the kind of core elements: keyword development, conversion rates, and clicks. Those are the 3 pillars that will really help you with your Amazon SEO before you start looking at how many keywords you put into your title or how many images you need. Start with conversion, start with understanding the customer journey and the customer centricity. Remember, the sales process always starts with sales velocity. An organic ranking is based on the idea of momentum of sale, not high volume, not high reviews, but momentum, consistency of building those sales. So this was a short video. I hope that was helpful. For more on Amazon SEO and to really get into the nuances of that, follow this video link right up here, and I'll see you in the next one.